Greetings, this is Chris from Tantalizing Tech. Mobile World Congress 2023 completed recently, and Lenovo has unveiled some really exciting and new tech. This particular episode will only focus on the new Lenovo ThinkPad Z13 Gen 2 laptop. Please stick around until the end to see if this laptop is tantalizing. But first, hit the subscribe button and leave a comment saying I subscribed, and I will do my best to personally reply to as many comments as I can. As I mentioned, we will now discuss the Lenovo ThinkPad Z13 Gen 2 laptop. In terms of the Lenovo ThinkPad Z13 Gen 2 laptop, it comes in two colors, one of them being Arctic Gray and the other being Flax Fiber Bronze. In addition, in this particular picture, we're looking at the right-hand side of the laptop here. We have an audio, headphone, and microphone combination jack. We also have a micro SD card slot, a power button, and also USB Type-C Thunderbolt 4 ports. In terms of display options for the Lenovo ThinkPad Z13 Gen 2 display, we have a 13.3-inch WUXGA IPS 16 by 10 100% sRGB 400 nit low power with the touch option. A second option is the 13.3 WQXGA 2.8K OLED 16 by 10 400 nit Dolby Vision support, low blue light, TUV Rhineland certified, and with the touch option. In terms of memory, we have 64 gigabytes of LPDDR5 memory. For graphic options, we have the AMD Radeon graphics. In terms of battery options, we have up to 51.5 watt-hour battery with rapid charge. In terms of this laptop, it weighs in at 2.63 pounds or 1.19 kilograms. For storage options, we have up to 2 terabytes of M.2 PCIe NVMe Gen 4 SSD drive configuration. In terms of speakers, we have 2 speakers with Dolby Atmos support. In terms of communication options, we have Wi-Fi 6E, and we also have 4G LTE. In terms of Bluetooth options, this laptop comes with Bluetooth 5.1. In terms of processors, the Lenovo ThinkPad Z13 Gen 2 comes with an AMD Ryzen 7000 series mobile processor. Now, while Lenovo didn't give the specifications of the processor, I will update you as soon as they post it to their website. In this particular picture, we're looking here at the left-hand side of the laptop. And on the left-hand side, we have a USB Type-C Thunderbolt 4 port. In addition, this laptop comes with Windows 11 Pro. Furthermore, this laptop comes with dual far-field microphones with Dolby Voice. In addition, this laptop has an FHD, RGB, and IR camera with eShutter support. In addition, another option is the FHD hybrid with eShutter option. In terms of this laptop, I think Lenovo has made some great advancements that will show at the Mobile World Congress Conference. I want to thank you again for watching Tantalizing Tech, and I've been your host, Chris. Once again, I want to remind you, if you feel that this video is tantalizing, leave a comment saying I subscribe, and I will do my best to personally reply to as many comments as I can. Wow, now that was tantalizing.